This is John Watts. I'm a lawyer in Birmingham, Alabama, and I help families to qualify for Medicaid benefits, particularly for nursing home costs. And a question that we often are asked is, do I have any options? Is there any planning I can do to save, maybe it's my house or money I have in a retirement account or in savings? And the reason that this is asked is a lot of times there are people that will tell you, and they have the best of intentions, but they say, oh, trust me, you have to lose everything. Your spouse has to become homeless. You can't have any assets left. And that's just not true. And sometimes what we see is people maybe have misinformation, or maybe it's outdated information, or maybe they just assume that if this type of asset is not protected under Medicaid, then surely this one's not protected. And let me give you an example. There's a big difference in having a house that's worth $400,000 and having $400,000 in a CD. Now, on the one hand, we'd say, well, those are both assets, $400,000 and $400,000. But it's not the same thing in the eyes of Medicaid. And so understand that you do have options. You do have the ability to make plans. We obviously have more ability, more options to make plans if you're not going into a nursing home right now. But even if you or your parent or spouse must go into a nursing home right now, and sometimes this is called Medicaid crisis. In other words, we're having a crisis, we have to go in the nursing home. What do we do so we're not paying $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 a month out of pocket? You still have options even in a crisis situation. And some of them may seem apparent, and some may be very surprising to you about options and the ability you have to protect assets from just being completely wiped out in a matter of months, assets that may have taken you decades to accumulate. So if you have any questions and you'd like to sit down with us and find out what your options are, what plan or planning techniques may be available to you, then pick up the phone, give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can go to our website, alabamaelderlawyer.com. Thank you very much.